back there.
He hit? What did he hit? What did he hit?
This.
Okay.
And he did like, ooh, then he did like that. Then he crashed.
Oh.
That's what he did. Hit this, I think. Saeed,
Yeah?
I think you're supposed to hit this.
Okay. You want to try?
I think I want to try because I think I can go. I think I can make it. I don't know. We'll find out. We will see. We will see. We will know. See. We will know. We will know. We will know. Slowly. Whoa! No. That's a yeet.
Nice.
It looks like he hit it this. He hit it like, I thought he'll go like, and go like that. And like, yeah! Man, that happened a little last time. But who was first now? Or the first girl? The blue cursor was first. Saeed.
Yeah.
The blue cursor was first.
No. See the yellow one over there. The yellow crushed car.
Oh yeah. The yellow cursor was first. He was second. He was third. He was fourth. He was fifth. He was sixth.
Yeah.
Mamari. Bruno. Abazia. I want to get some similar cards, real ones. So we all play the real one, the crush card, the crushable cards over there, and I'll get the similar cards right now. Let's go find some similar cards. Let's see what of this. So we can freak out. I would put this box. I got them.
You got them?
I got them. I got the similar. I got the similar ones. These are the similar ones. Instead of crushable ones, you have similar ones. I'm gonna put the similar ones here. That similar one will go here. This 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 one will go. Wait. We can't start the video right now.
Why?
I had to change.
You want to change? What do you want to change?
I think I put I have to check.
What?
I think I put I have to check.
Uh-oh.